In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Clash Royale app. So if you want to update the Clash Royale application, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Clash Royale. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Clash Royale and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here you can see two options, uninstall and play. If your application is not updated, instead of play option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated to the latest version, all the bugs of the application will be fixed. Also, you'll be able to access smoother performance and latest features. So like this, you'll be able to update the app. So that is how you update Clash Royale app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.